the amount of a resource that determines the sustainability of a system. It's how long that resource stays in the system. And we can give you an example. You have 1,000 real. I have two 500s here. So you have a village. The foreigner comes in. The foreigner sits down, has a cup of cafe, drinks it, pays the money. Then owner of cafe takes this, goes to farmer, and pays farmer for some food. The farmer takes this money, goes to blacksmith, and pays to have some tool repaired. Blacksmith takes this money, and because they're very hard, they go to massage person and gets massage on shoulders. You know, blacksmith, very hard. And so massage person goes to tailor, and the tailor, you know, repairs or makes some clothes. And then the tailor takes this money and goes to Han and hires Han to do some work, to garden, because Han is an experienced permaculture person. So they bring Han in to help with garden. Then Han takes this money and buys food from a local store, from a little market. You can see the idea. As long as people buy local, this stays in the community, and this money, same, it has not changed. It's the same piece of money, has now gone around through the community and created all this benefit. So you see back here Mr. Han, and he's giving a tour to the class of the farm here at Harmony Farms. One of the things about Mr. Han, he's a very dedicated young man, and he's part of sort of what I would call my whole exit strategy. One of the things we talk about in permaculture is designing yourself out of the system, so that you know, the system itself is not dependent on a thing, be it a person or one element, that the system needs to be resilient and also growing. So my exit strategy, my designing myself out of the system, is having students, local students, Mr. Han being my first really progressed Khmer local students, and so that eventually he will be doing all the teaching, which is a lot more appropriate in the sense of the culture teaching itself. So I'm just helping introduce these ideas, helping these ideas get going, and really gardening permaculturalists. That's another thing we say, you know, everything gardens. And right now I'm trying to garden permaculturalists, and Mr. Han being one of the very good ones, who I'm hoping within a couple of years will be teaching on his own. I'm not sure if he'll do the full design course yet. That'll probably be a few more years down the road, but definitely I think within a year or two he'll be able to lead his own teachings without me being around. So that's pretty exciting.
So here we send all many people here. We do grey water for our middle school at Cambodian.
Make this the right size for the amount of water coming out of here. If lots of water comes out, then we can make this maybe bigger in different ways, because then we can get more benefit from it. The size of this here is starting to get big enough. I don't think you would want to go too much bigger with just a big solid pit. For bananas, for papaya, pineapple, lemongrass, we don't want to go too wide, so we use our water wisely.
We have many students from anywhere. We have teacher for this school and teacher from another school, and the staff from different organizations, and the village leader also. So many people, the kind of people, they can study about permaculture. We start to create the old idea that we have before, for have the human habitation. Yeah, sustainable human habitation by using nature and mimic nature.
Soil you need to cover. Soil does not like to be left naked. This garden here can be a way for children to learn new techniques, you know, like sheet mulching or complex planting. They can learn that here in the school, and then they can take it home to mom and dad and say, hey, and maybe influence their parents to try something different. So it's a way to change slowly over time and improve the quality of Cambodian agriculture, is by teaching the children in school different ideas, new ideas, and then that way slowly, after a few years, it starts becoming practiced at home. So school gardens, I think they're great.
everybody they can come and they study about it, they learn about it, and they practice it. They have the world, they have the earth, and they have human habitation for sustainable.